Irregular sleep increases the risk of cardiovascular problems. Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about irregular sleep that increases risk of cardiovascular diseases. But before that, please subscribe to the channel, and for latest notifications hit the bell icon. Having irregular sleeping patterns may contribute to the risk of cardiovascular problems according to recent evidence. Scientists already know that sleep is of the utmost importance to health. Research has shown that without sufficient sleep, pretty much every aspect of health is affected, from cognitive functioning to immunity. But even people who sleep for a good number of hours each night may face increased risks to their health if their sleep is irregular. Let's go in deep. 1. Irregular sleep and new study. A new study by researchers from Birmingham and Women's Hospital in Boston, MA, has found that people who have very irregular sleep patterns are more likely to experience cardiovascular events than those with more regular sleep. The study's authors report their findings in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology and stress the importance of good sleep hygiene. When we talk about interventions to prevent heart attacks and stroke, we focus on diet and exercise, notes lead author Tianyi Hyung. He continues, even when we talk about sleep, we tend to focus on duration, how many hours a person sleeps each night, but not on sleep irregularity and the impact of going to bed at different times or sleeping different amounts from night to night. Our study indicates that healthy sleep is not just about quantity but also about variability, and that this can have an important effect on heart health. 2. Irregular sleep and twofold increase in cardiovascular risk. The researchers analyzed data from 1992 older participants in their 60s and 70s with no cardiovascular problems at baseline. The participants were of various ethnicities, including African Americans and Chinese Americans. With all the data coming from the multi-ethnic study of atherosclerosis, the team was able to map the participants' sleeping patterns as they had each agreed to wear an actigraph unit, an activity tracking monitor worn on the wrist. Over a period of 7 days, this allowed researchers to obtain information about participants' bedtime, sleep durations, and wake-up times. The researchers also had access to health follow-up information covering an average period of 4.9 years. Over that period, a total of 111 participants experienced different cardiovascular events, such as heart attacks and strokes. 3. Irregular sleep and observations. The research team noticed that participants who displayed the most irregular sleep patterns, those with 2 hours or more difference in sleep duration each night, had a more than twofold increase in the risk of cardiovascular problems in comparison with those with 1 hour or less difference in sleep duration. This is it guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks.